Yeah, so the 63 Chevy dump truck got a Land Rover resonator straight through with a nice, what is that? It's 2 and, I said that's about 3 inch, I guess. Yeah, it's 3 inch. Yeah, it sounds pretty mean. She flows now. Funny thing with 6 cylinders and stuff, it's like people never think about exhaust flow, you know, size. That's a 292, call it a 300 cubic inch engine. You know, let's talk about like a Mustang or whatever, a 5.0 Mustang. Most people would consider, you know, 2.5 inch dual exhaust to be like minimum, pretty much, maybe 2.25, but for the most part 2.5, maybe even 3 inch dual exhaust. And then you get a 6 cylinder like this that's 300 cubic inches, and all 300 cubes are going through a pipe that's less than 2 inches. That'd be like putting 1 inch dual exhaust on your 5.0 Fox body Mustang, you know? And so the power gains from stuff like this is just huge. You know, and this is still small. You know, I mean, realistically, I could have put, you know, 5 inch on here, or even 6 inch, right? But yeah, it's cool. It'll be happy. I don't know what I'm doing with